Hey Casey, Tiffany here with GPS and Track. I just quickly wanted to show you my GPS tracker that runs off of its own 5-year battery life. This unit updates upon movement, so when you leave your property, you're going to get 2 alerts. One is the start movement alert. The other one is the geofence that you set up around your property. It's letting you know, hey, you've left your property. Those are 2 alerts that you'll get that will help protect your trailer. And then if in the event like of a theft type of situation is going down, you can put it into an aggressive tracking mode. So those 2 alerts that you'll get, obviously if you're not towing the trailer, that's your 911 that something's going down, and to adhere to it. So this unit is IP67 rated. It's fully waterproof. It runs off of its own 5-year battery life, and when that battery dies, we can replace it. Get a hold of me, 480-659-9229. I look forward to speaking with you.
The best way to get a hold of me is going to be my direct line. That number is 480-659-9229, or you can respond back to my email.